What's the meaning of arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean.
Arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean. The arithmetic mean is a statistical measure that represents the central tendency of a set of values. It is calculated by adding up all the numbers in a set and dividing the sum by the total number of values. The result is a single number that represents the average value of the set. For example, if the numbers 3, 5, 8, and 10 were averaged, the arithmetic mean would be 3 plus 5 plus 8 plus 10/4 is equal to 6.5. The arithmetic mean is widely used in numerous fields, including mathematics, science, economics, and finance.